Welcome to the closing module of the Journal Audit series. We read the last two sections of the EDUSIA report, the Integrity Risk Grid, checking retractions, duplication, and publication identity, then the Anomaly Register that merges findings from every audit dimension into one prioritized work list. The module ends by downloading the Word and CSV reports, the audit's final form, ready to attach to an accreditation dossier. For this final module, we again open the EDUSIA audit from the Saved Audits list. Click the EDUSIA entry, and the report head with the audit results sidebar loads again. Integrity sits at the end because it rereads every earlier panel's findings as a single conclusion. Open the Integrity Risk section from the sidebar. The grid counts 8 signals: articles retracted by Crossref, duplicate DOIs, duplicate titles, and near-identical titles. Then mismatched publication years, duplicate abstracts, overlapping page ranges, and correction or erratum notices. A duplicate may be nothing more than sloppy metadata deposit. Overlapping pages within one issue, for instance, often just mean pagination the editors never tidied up. What matters is that each signal carries its articles, so follow-up starts from cases rather than aggregate numbers. Below, the integrity policy reading records which elements the journal site has and lacks, complete with quotations. A clearly written retraction and correction policy is exactly what indexers and accreditation assessors look for. Now the anomalies section, where the whole audit converges. This register merges findings from metadata, publishing, citation, references, visibility, diversity, scope, and integrity. Its summary uses 3 levels: high priority, needs attention, and informative, plus the count of article data mentions. The first filter slices by audit section, useful when one team handles only a single dimension. The second filter slices by severity, and the findings counter follows your choice immediately. This is how to use the register. Work through the high-priority items first, as those are what assessors will question. Each finding group can be opened. Inside sits the evidence narrative and the list of affected articles. Article titles there link to the original source, so anyone can recheck a finding without having to ask you. The register is thus not a report card, but a remediation work list you can hand out across the editorial team. Finally, return to the report head. That is where the whole audit is packaged to travel outside the app. The Word button downloads the full narrative report. We click it, and the file is organized by audit section with evidence. This is the report ready to attach to an accreditation dossier or to table at an editorial board meeting. The CSV button exports per article data for further analysis, and the print icon saves this view as a PDF. Because every figure comes from open sources, this report can be reproduced by others, and that is its strength. One section is left deliberately: evidence verification on Pro Plus, where editors manually stamp each finding. That layer seals the philosophy of this series. Machines gather and screen the evidence, humans pass the judgment. And that completes EDUSIA's audit journey, from an ISSN search to a Word report in your hands. The Journal Audit series is complete. You can now build an audit from scratch, read every findings panel together with its evidence, and take it home as a Word report anyone can re-examine. Remember the order: data foundations first, analysis next, and human judgment always as the final layer. Thank you for following through to the end.